Hello guys, welcome to George classes. Now we solve the questions on the basis of the spherical coordinate. In the previous lecture of spherical coordinate, we give the three questions on the conversion of spherical to Cartesian and Cartesian to spherical. Now we solve the first question. First we revise what is the spherical coordinate. Now we have the three axes coordinate, that is x, y, z, and this is the origin. The intersection of the three axes is known as origin. Okay, now point P, whose coordinate is r, theta, and phi. So this is phi, and the r is known as the radial distance from origin to point. Then OP is r, and theta is the zenith angle, that is theta, and phi is the azimuthal angle, which is OQ on the plane XY, and this angle is phi, which is known as the azimuthal angle. Now we have four formula on the basis on the relation between spherical coordinate and Cartesian coordinate. The first is x equal to r sin theta cos phi, and y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta, and r is square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So this is the z. Now with the help of this four formula we can solve the questions. Okay, now the question given in find a Cartesian coordinate. Find a Cartesian coordinate of b. B is given in spherical coordinate. Then we equivalent b, which is 425 degree and 120 degree. This is 2, which is equal to r, theta, and phi. Now we have the relation, that is x is equal to r sin theta cos phi. Now the value of r is 4, theta is 25, and phi is 120. Now we get x is equal to 4 sin 25 and cos 120. Then we get x is equal to 4 into the value of sin 25, which is equal to 0.422. The value of sin 25 is equal to, and the value of cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2. Okay, now we can get 2 and 2, 2 to 4. Now we multiply 2 in this, then we get minus the minus of minus 0.844. Now we get the x. Now we can match the second option be correct, which is equal to x is equal to minus 0.844, which is approximate value. Now similarly we can use the formula y, then that is y equal to sin theta sin phi, and we can get the value of y. Okay, now similarly we can find the value of y, which is y is equal to r sin theta sin phi. Now the spherical coordinate is 425 and 120 degree, which is equal to r, theta, and phi. Now we put the value of y is equal to the value of r is 4, and the sin 25 into sin 120. Now the value of sin 25 is 0.422, and the value of sin 120 is root 3 by 2. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Now after we multiply we get 0.844 into root 3, and we know the value of root 3 is 1.732. Now we put the value of root 3, y is equal to 0.732 844 into 1.732. now we get 1.48012. now this is the value of y. Okay, now we can match the value of y, which is equal to 1.462, which is approximate equal to 1.48. okay, similarly we can find the value of z. now the value of x and y we match, then option second be correct. now we solve for the value of z, which is equal to r cos theta. okay, now cos theta, the value of cos 25, sorry, the value of cos 25, which is equal to 0.906. okay, now we can put and solve, then we get the answer be 3.625. now our second option be correct. now our first question, which is based on conversion spherical to Cartesian. now our second and third question, which is based on Cartesian to spherical. now we solve the first questions, and second question be now second question be solved in next video, or already you can solve. now the given 3 comma minus 4 and 1, this coordinate be given in Cartesian, we have to convert into spherical. now first we find the value of r, which is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. now we get r is equal to square of x is 3 square is 9, and square of minus 4 is 16, and square of 1 is 1, then we get under root 26. now the value of r is under root 26. now we can get the value of r, which is equal to under root 26. now we have a relation which is equal to tan phi, which is equal to y upon x, which is get to this relation we get to by the x and y, which is equal to x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, and y, which is equal to r sin theta sin phi. now we divide y by x, then we get r we cancel out, and sin theta we cancel out, then we get y upon x, which is equal to sin phi upon cos phi. okay, now we get y upon x, which is equal to tan phi. now then we get phi, which is equal to y by x, and the value of y and x is y is minus 4 and x is 3, then we get 10 minus 4 by 3, then we get phi is equal to 10 inverse minus 4 by 3, and which is equal to the value of 10 inverse minus 4 by 3, which is equal to 1.3734. okay, now we can get r is equal to under root 26 and phi is equal to 1.3734. now we solve for theta. now we know z is equal to r cos theta, then we get theta is equal to cos inverse z by r. Then we get cos inverse, the value of z is 1 and r is under 26. Now we get theta which is equal to, 5.35. then we get the value of theta is 5.35. now now the value of theta is 5.35. then we get a spherical coordinate which is equal to under root 26, that is the value of r, and theta, that is 5.35, and the value of phi which is 1.37. okay, this is the spherical coordinate. okay, and and equivalent Cartesian coordinate is 3 comma minus 4 comma 1. okay, now we can solve Cartesian to spherical, and the first question which is based on the spherical to Cartesian. okay, thank you guys.